Hi guys, trip nyo ba na manood ng TV kahit walang TV? Actually, just stay tuned on this video. So, ngayon tuturuan ko po kayong manood ng TV gamit ang iyong laptop PC at basically ang iyong phone. So, the network that we will be tuning in is actually ABS-CBN, which is actually a great network. And just to remind you that this will only work in one network. Not all network you can watch a whole bunch of TV, but just type in this iwanttv.com.ph or just click the link in the description below. So, as you can see, ito yung page nila. Makikita mo yung mga teleserye nila, yung Dolce Amore, makikita nyo yung Forevermore, Liz and Jaden, Always Be My Maybe, Must Date, Must Date, and Provinciano. Everything you can watch everything. If you have a Kapamilya ABS-CBN mobile phone o SIM, syempre makaka-watch ka ng full experience on iWant TV, but it's available on phone only, and for laptop I don't know. Maybe you could buy some SIM card adapter or just like that. But anyways, just I've already naka-login na po ako. So isa-sign out ko muna po paano talaga to gagawin kung beginner pa kayo. So kung wala pa kayong account, if you don't have a account, just register to have a new one and it's free. But you'll need to provide, kailangan nyo pong mag-provide ng email address. Pwede Gmail, kahit ano, Yahoo Mail, basta valid lang yung email ad nyo. Tapos, kailangan nyo rin mag-provide ng phone number. So, kung natapos nyo nang mag-fill up sa lahat ng box dito, male or female, whatever, month, province, city, email ad, mobile number, password, confirm, and security, whatever. All of that, just fill up a valid phone number and email ad. That's the most important thing. And type these characters, C4G, whatever, it's different on you. Actually, hindi magkaparehas ang code na to. And for security reasons, and just accept and submit. Just click that and just ignore this. If you're using your laptop, wag nyo lang po yung pansinin kasi para sa mga mobile user lang yan. So, just log in and pero kung may phone kayo at nakakonect ito sa Wi-Fi sa iyong kapitbahay o kung sa sarili ng Wi-Fi at malakas, mabilis yung internet speed niya, siguradong makakapanood pa rin kayo ng iWant TV, basically on ABS-CBN. So, just click the link in the description below. Click nyo lang po yun at ma-redirect po kayo sa isang video ko para sa phone version na kung paano manood, stream live on without using a TV. Kahit kung wala kayong TV, meron kayong phone, meron kayong Wi-Fi, meron kayong laptop, meron kayong computer, pwedeng po kayong makapanood ng ABS-CBN. So, Ang pinaka love ko dito na feature sa iWant TV is yung live na streaming nila. You can stream live. So, just click this live thing and watch now. Live plus watch now equals makakapanood ka na. You can watch actually this live. And it's loading. So, nagbabuffer siya ng matagal kung wala kayong mabilis na internet. Actually, kailangan niya ng mabilis na internet. At sapat na amount ng data. So, actually, it's advertisement. Normal lang to na maraming advertisement kasi live to. Pero kung gusto niyong pumunta na hindi live, just click iWant TV and just X. Just click X, just close that, and just click this play button. Click niyo lang to. So, pwede kayong manood ng bawat episode nito. So, meron silang 5 episode. So, 6 lahat. And, kasi, nung previous Monday, maybe 8 days ago, nagsimula ito sa February 15, 2016. Napakaganda talaga ng movie kasi sila yung mga sila Lisken yung pambato dito. So, it is the latest episode that I have clicked. So, pwede kayong mag-fast forward. So, kita nyo yung mouse ko. I-fast forward nito. Oh, tingnan nyo. Pwede. So, enough for that. And I will go live. Just click again the home page, which is the iWant TV. And just basically find it below. Hanapin nyo sa ibaba. Meron yang nandito na. Enjoy all the TV programs and movies na hanap mo plus original shows na ginagawa mo para lang sa iyo kapamilya. So, just click live and watch now. So, it's live and hopefully hindi advertisement yung makikita natin. Oh, it's awful. So, makikita nyo na live tayo sa TV Patrol and sa nakikita nyo, may batang lalaki na nagsuot ng uniforme ng pulis na nareklamo ng pangungutong sa mga jeepney driver. Nako, tong batang to. Nasaan kayang mga magulang nito? So, I guess medyo mahaba-haba tong tutorial na to. Pero, sa nakikita nyo nag-work naman, hindi to fake. At subscribe para sa marami pang mga video for you Filipinos. Thank you. So, if this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure lang po na mag-subscribe kayo para sa marami pang mga nakaka-exciting na video. So, tapos, kung like nito yung video na enjoy kayo, just don't bother to click the like button, thumbs up there, and just comment down below if you have question. Kung meron kayong tanong, huwag kayong mahiyang magtanong sa akin. Just write down. Sulat nyo lang below. And salamat sa panonood. And sorry sa Tagalog ko kasi minsan lang talaga ako nagsasalita ng Tagalog. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video.